Again with the cooking chronicles, so I'm making banana pudding. It's for my son's banquet. And these are the ingredients. You got milk, vanilla wafers, pudding. I like a lot of pudding, so I'm using 4 of the small ones, or you can use 2 of the big ones. You got your bananas sliced up. What you want to do with your bananas so they won't turn brown is squeeze the lemon juice over them. So you do that before you mix it up into the banana pudding. I like to use Chessman cookies. You have condensed milk right here. You could use any brand, and then you have your Cool Whip. So, and then I have my pudding. So I'll be right back. So my pudding is mixed. As you can see, I had to use a spatula because I just used my spoon. So the pudding is mixed. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump in the condensed milk. I'm going to dump in all the condensed milk. See, condensed milk. And then I'm going to add the Cool Whip. Make sure the Cool Whip is not frozen. You take it out to defrost so it won't be hard to whip up. I've done that before. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend this up and I'll be right back. So this is how it looks, and you can either continue to whip it by hand, or you can use a hand mixer or whatever you use to blend your stuff. I'm going to use my hand mixer right here. So I will come back when it's all mixed in. So now what I just did was I dumped my vanilla wafers in here and my bananas, and you just mix. If you want to be fancy and, you know, stack the wafers in the bowl, you can do that, but I don't need to be all fancy. So I'm trying to mix this while looking at my phone. So yeah, you just mix it. Make sure it's all mixed in there good. You know, your bananas and your cookies. And you're done. There it is. Banana pudding. So here's your finished project. Your banana pudding. Top it off with your Chessman Pepperidge Farm cookies. So thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe up. Click that notification bell. Give me that thumbs up. And let me know what you think. Peace.